After Sophia the robot, it was a shame for Tesla and Neuralink owner to not have to come up with the most futuristic thing in technology, a robot. Elon has been longing to take over technology, and he's always a step ahead of the world. His self-driving electric cars are proof of his excellence in technology, but he finally has cracked the code and has come up with a real Optimus Prime. Let's find out more about the Optimus Prime Elon has discovered. Watch the complete video to find out about the robot made by Tesla. Elon Musk stated that Teslabot, also known as Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, could have a working prototype by September 30th, 2022, the end of the third quarter. Musk announced Tesla AI Day number 2 with many cool updates on August 19th, 2021. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, predicted on Wednesday that the company's humanoid robot will one day be the most valuable asset. Musk stated during Tesla's first quarter earnings call that the robot, dubbed Optimus, is crucial. Musk said that much of the technology in Tesla's self-driving cars applies to or is useful in creating humanoid robots. Tesla is arguably the world's biggest robotics company because our cars are like semi-sentient robots on wheels, he said. It kind of makes sense to put that onto a humanoid form. We're also quite good at sensors and batteries and actuators. Elon is positive about his innovation as he says, "I was surprised that people do not realize the magnitude of the Optimus robot program. Those who are insightful or who listen carefully will understand that Optimus ultimately will be worth more than the car business and worth more than full self-driving. That's my firm belief." Musk first revealed the robot at Tesla's AI Day last summer, a series of tech talks hosted by the company to recruit machine learning talent. Musk announced by bringing on stage an actor dressed in a bodysuit designed to look like the robot and having him dance for the audience. This was just a way to predict people's reactions. Musk stated that the goal was to create a machine that could reduce labor costs. The foundation of the economy is labor. So what happens if you don't actually have a labor shortage? I'm not sure what an economy even means at that point. That's what Optimus is about, so very important. Tesla customers and investors who've been waiting for updates on the automaker's long-promised future vehicles, such as the Cybertruck, Roadster, and semi-heavy-duty truck, may be disappointed by Musk's comments. Musk stated that Tesla would not introduce any new vehicle models in 2022 because it would reduce overall production volumes. Musk said that he envisioned a future where the robot could run errands for its human owners as well. It's intended to be friendly, of course, and navigate through a world of humans and eliminate dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. It should be able to, please go to the store and get me the following groceries, that kind of thing. Although Musk was not in favor of making a robot on an industrial scale because he's had negative thoughts about robots like humans will be able to outrun them or overpower them, well, that could be something that goes wrong. Even at the beginning of the presentation, Elon made a chilling statement saying, "Robots who can operate like humans are the biggest threat to humanity." However, as the presentation continued, Elon made everyone believe that the robot will not be a threat to humans and will be of great help. As he said, "As you see Optimus develop, everyone's going to make sure it's safe. No Terminator stuff or that kind of thing." According to Tesla, the robot will stand 5 feet 8 inches tall and weigh 125 pounds. It can carry 45 pounds, lift 150 pounds, and travel at a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour. Its face will be a useful information screen. Musk previously stated that Optimus is a higher priority than other highly anticipated Tesla products, such as the Cybertruck pickup and the Tesla Semi. However, it remains to be seen whether Tesla will be able to deliver on Musk's promises. This month, Gary Marcus, an AI researcher, told CNBC that he was skeptical that Optimus could live up to the hype by 2023. Tesla has not even, after years of effort, come close to reliably solving one relatively simple task: driving. To claim that a robot that has never been shown publicly will solve all human tasks in the next year or two is preposterous, says Gary Marcus. Elon is not only positive, but thinks robots are important for the future. During an interview, Musk said, "Humanoid robots are happening. The rate of advancement of AI is very rapid. Optimus is a general-purpose sort of worker droid. The initial role must be in work that is repetitive, boring, or dangerous. Basically work that people don't want to do. We could download the things that we believe make ourselves so unique. Now, of course, if you're not in that body anymore, that's definitely going to be a difference. But as far as preserving our memories, our personality, I think we could do that. Humanity has designed the world to interact with a bipedal humanoid with 2 arms and 10 fingers. So if you want to have a robot fit in and be able to do things that humans can do, it must be approximately the same size and shape and capability. Here are the specs of the humanoid Optimus Prime. Although Optimus remains a project for the future, Teslabots will be available in 2023. Knowing how quickly Elon Musk grills his employees, we completely trust his delivery timelines. The Teslabot, at 5'8" and 125 pounds, will have capabilities comparable to the actual cars. It will essentially be a walking computer that can also perform physical activities. A screen on its face displays all of the information required by the owner. They will be physically capable of deadlifting 150 pounds and carrying 45 pounds. They will, however, walk at a painfully slow pace of only 5 miles per hour. Musk stated that the machine will have a walking speed of 8 kilometers per hour and will be designed to be weak enough that most humans will be able to overpower it if necessary. The robot is still in development, but automation will make physical labor obsolete in the future, which will have profound economic implications and necessitate universal basic income as government policy, according to Musk. At the event, a human dancer inside a suit was presented just to give the audience a taste of what to expect from the robot. During the presentation, Tesla also announced the D1, an AI-optimized custom computer chip that will be used to build the Dojo supercomputer. This machine is designed to process massive amounts of camera and sensor data from Tesla vehicles to train the neural networks that power Tesla's self-driving technology. These enhancements and updates can then be distributed to cars all over the world via the internet. Tesla processes massive amounts of video data from its fleet of over 1 million vehicles, which it uses to train neural networks. The automaker was unhappy with the current hardware options for training its computer vision neural nets and believed it could do better internally. The capacity of Tesla's Dojo would be more than an exaflop, which is 1 quintillion, 1018 floating point operations per second, or 1000 petaflops. It has the potential to make Dojo the world's most powerful supercomputer. This is the second chip designed internally by the Tesla team, following the FSD chip found in the FSD Computer Hardware 3 in Tesla vehicles. Despite fears of an AI takeover, in which machines replace humans as the world's dominant intelligence, such a scenario appears unlikely. However, according to the business network PwC, robots could automate up to 30% of jobs by the mid-2030s. According to other reports, the global stock of robots could reach 20 million by 2030, with automated workers taking up to 51 million jobs over the next 10 years. So while robots are unlikely to take over the world, we can expect to see more of them in our daily lives. Workers will need technological skills, and those with STEM expertise will be in high demand. Similarly, many roles will necessitate socio-emotional skills, especially those in which robots are ineffective substitutes, such as caregiving and teaching. Robots may also become a more integral part of our daily lives. Many simple tasks in our homes, such as cooking and cleaning, may be completely automated. We hope the Optimus Prime is not evil, and that it will help humans rather than take over the world. What do you think about the intervention of robots in our daily lives? Do let us know in the comments section about your views. But before you leave, press the bell icon so that you can get notified when a new video comes.